Hello guys, how are you doing? Today I will present you an application that I made during the last day. It is about real-time chat system with C# and SQL. So let's begin. Here I have created a login form so that we can log into the system. Let's create a user account. To register, we must fill in all the required fields in the registration field. Let's fill it and register. Now that we have successfully registered the first user, now let's try to log into the system. I just logged in successfully with the user we just created. Now let's open the application once more and create a new user and try to log into the system to test how the system works. The application database is hosted for free. You have the link of the website in description where you can host your application to test how your hosted application works on the internet, so try it. Now that the second user has been created, let's connect to the system and test the system. Now we have two users registered in our system and connected to the system. Let's try to make them friends with each other and then try to communicate through them. To do this, we go to Add Friend and find the user we want to add and click Add. And to accept, we go to the other user and go to Requests and accept the request to be added to the list of friends. Now, as you can see, users have friends each other in the system where they can communicate with each other in a real time. Let's try to write the first message between them and see how it works in real time between users. As you can see, users can write to each other in real time and without interruption. The message control displays the date and time of sending and the user who sent the message. We can also search for friends on the list. Also, the height of the message control is dynamic depending on the amount of text written by the user. Something that makes the way of writing even better and looks as good as possible for the user. To delete the friend, click on the three dots and click Delete. The users are not friends with each other, but the messages between them still exist. So every time they become friends, they can read their messages that they wrote earlier. Users can change their profile data. They can change username, email, password, and their profile picture. Thank you very much for your precious time and for sharing your time for this video. I hope you found something fruitful and enjoyable in this video. If you have questions, suggestions, or tutorial about this system, don't hesitate to comment below. Also, don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to be aware of all future updates and help me grow this community. Goodbye.